So yeah, I think and getting the opportunity to represent South Africa in the Olympics, well, I still have to work hard, make sure that I make the team that is going to Tokyo and represent the country. So I think it's another opportunity for me to take my career to the next stage. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and yeah, I'm excited, and I'm gonna make sure that I always work hard, stay focused, and so that I reach my goals. With the club being on the semi-finals of Caf now, maybe a message to the whole team, to Kaizer Chiefs family and all the supporters maybe.
My input would be, if you want to run fast, you can run alone. But if you want to run far, you have to run in company of others. The word team, which is T-E-A-M, together, everyone achieves more. If you approach this as a team, as a united force, you'll reach the finals, and you won't just reach the finals, but you'll come back with the trophy. You'll be representing Kaizer Chiefs, you'll be representing the nation of South Africa. And I'm saying we wish you well, but the well goes along with the Creator as well. It goes along with unity. That's why we say unity is strength. Yeah. And we will keep you in our prayers as well. I'm Nkosingiphile for life.